One thing about the needle and thread cornrow is that you can use your very short hair for this hairstyle. And the thing is about it is, if you are a beginner, you really need to take your time so well so you could learn this hairstyle very well. If you're a beginner watching this video, you have to take your time. As a beginner, it will really take a whole lot of time, but as an expert it doesn't really take time. But also, this hairstyle needs a lot of patience for you to be able to get it right. You can see how neat this is, and I tell you, it will take this person a whole lot of time. Looking at the stitches and the details in this hairstyle, like I said, you should use your own relaxed hair, because a relaxed hair might not really be as fine as this, or might not really be as tiny as this. But if your hair is unrelaxed, you have the assurance that your strands are going to stay put, and it's not going to, there's no room for worrying about breakage. But for a relaxed hair, you may need to worry about breakage because of how the stitch is going to hold that hair down. See you in my next commentary video.